All right, in this video, we're going to be installing and demoing nushell on macOS. So nushell is a modern shell that basically treats all your data, all your input and output as structured data. So you can easily pipe data from one command to another command. It makes it easy to sort it, easy to filter things, easy to do all sorts of neat stuff. Gives you all, you'll see what it looks like. The purpose of this video, I just kind of want to show you what it looks like and some of the things you can do. I'm going to try not to talk too much in this video, and I'm not going to get it too into depth. We're going to do more in a future video. Just kind of wanted to show you what this nushell is like. This is available on macOS, Windows, and Linux, and other operating systems too. So take a look. Pretty neat.